Hello friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to solve one integrations. This is the sin hx divided by cos h square x dx. Sin hx by x. This integration I will solve. It can be written as sin hx y divided by cos h square x into x into dx into dy, and it is 0 to 1, because friends, when you are integrating 0 to 1 sin h xy into dy, then it will be sin h x divided by x. This value will become sin hx divided by x. Now it will 0 to infinity 1 by cos h squared x and 0 to it will cos h xy, sorry, it will be cos h xy, 0 to 1 cos h xy into dy into dx. It can be written as cos h xy into dy into dx, and after that I will change it half into minus infinity to infinity 0 to 1 cos h xy divided by cos h square x dx into dy. And why I will write 0 to infinity? Because see that if minus a to a fx dx, half of minus a to a fx dx equal to 0 to a fx dx, property of integral, property of definite integral. I use this formula and I write in here, and after that I translate cos hx can be written e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2, hyperbolic formula. This is hyperbolic formula, friends. I think it is clear for everyone. Yeah, I hope that it is clear. After that it can be written as half into infinity to minus infinity to infinity 0 to 1 e to the power xy into e to the power minus xy divided by 1 plus e to the power minus 2x it is e to the power 2x into whole square into e to the power 2x and 4, it is 4, and by divided by 2, then it is remaining part is 2 into dx into dy, and 2 will cut, and e to the power minus xy means e to the power xy is equal to t. Take e to the power x is equal to t, so limit will be changed. Limit will be 0 to infinity, as e to the power minus infinity means 0 and e to the power infinity means 0. So this would be 0 to 1, and t to the power y by 2 into t to the power minus y by 2 into 1 plus t square into whole square, 1 plus t e to the power 2x is equal to t, so e to the power 1 plus t whole square into dt into dy. Okay, it is very helpful. And after that, whatever I have to do that 0 to 1 I will write in here, and 0 to infinity t to the power y by 2 into 1 plus t whole square into dt plus 0 to infinity t to the power minus y by 2 1 plus t whole square I can write into dy. Okay friends, it is very very simple. And after that I can write this way, 0 to, and when I will differentiate, and it is half, because e to the power 2 into e to the power 2x into dx into dt, and e to the power 2x into dx equals to dt by 2. So it is half, and 0 to 1. And now it is the formula of beta formula. Beta formula means beta x comma y. Beta x comma y means 0 to infinity t to the power x minus 1 into 1 plus t to the power x plus y into dt. So I apply this formula, so it is y by 2 plus 1 minus 1, y by 2 plus 1 minus 1. So this value is half into 0 to infinity beta 1 plus y by 2 and 1 minus y by 2 and plus beta 1 plus y by 2 and 1 minus y by 2 into dy. And 0 to infinity beta 1 plus y by 2 into 1 minus y by 2 into dy. And it will write, it is 0 to 1, so sorry, 0 to not infinity, 0 to 1, and 0 to 1 it is gamma 1 plus y by 2 into gamma 1 minus y by 2 into dy. Now the formula of gamma y into gamma 1 minus y is equal to pi divided by sin pi y. This is the formula, gamma 1 minus y by 2 and to sin pi by y. So whatever I want, I can write this 0 to 1 pi y by 2 sin pi y by 2. How? Because it can be write 0 to 1 gamma y by 2 into gamma y by 2 gamma 1 minus y by 2 dy. It can be written this way. And now this value I will go in here, and it will be 0 to pi by 2 into t into sin t into dt, where y is equal to pi y by 2 is equal to t. So friends, this value is pi by 2, and after that t into sin t divided by sin, it will come, sorry, it is come 2 divided by pi, 2 divided by pi, 0 to pi by 2 t divided by sin t, and it is coming 2 into pi into 2g equal to 4g divided by pi. Thank you friends, answer is 4g divided by pi.